Hello guys, in previous video we have completed our installation process. In this video we will talk about main function in C++, what is the main function and how it is work. So let's get started. So what is the main function? So basically main function is a special function in C++ which is run automatically by C++ compiler. So it is a special function which is automatically executed by a C++ compiler, and all the code which you want to execute are written inside the main function. So more than one main function is not allowed in the program. You cannot write two main function in one program, and main function may or may not be present in each C++ program. So it is not compulsory to write main function in every program. So the compiler compile only those programs which contain main function. So if you want to compile your program, you have to write main function in your program. If you compile the program which doesn't contain the main function, it will give the error. Fine. Now what is the syntax of the main function? So here is the syntax of main function. So this is the syntax. So int main, and then brackets, parenthesis, and then curly braces, and then return 0. So what is this? So we will talk about every word written here, and so let's start. So basically int stand for integer. Int is a short form of integer in C++ or even in every programming language. Int stand for integer. So basically it is a return type of our main function. So every function, not the main function, not only the main function, every function in programming languages, there is a return type of every function. So we have to write the return type of every function. So here is a return type of main function is integer. Fine. And then next word is main. So main is the name of the function. So main is the name of the main function. It should be same as I mentioned here. So main is the name of our main function, and if you write another name here, if you write a capital M or anything else, so it doesn't work basically. So the name of the main function should be main with a small m, and there is curly braces here. So curly braces is the body of our function where we write code which we want to execute. So in the curly braces, we have to write the code which we want to execute by the compiler or by our program. Fine. So and the next thing is return. What is return? So return is a keyword, C++ keyword, which return the value from the function. The value of the return is same as I mentioned in first point. So basically it return the value. In first point we have talked about the return type of our main function. So it return the value of type integer from the main function. So return the value of the main function of type mentioned here. Fine. 0 is a value which our main function will return after executing. Okay, after execution. So 0 is the value which is written by the function. Fine. And then semicolon. Semicolon must be put at the end of every C++ statement. So this is the terminating point of our statement. Semicolon is the terminating point of our statement, and that's it. So we have talked about what is the main function, how it is work, and what is the syntax of the main function. So in next video we will write the first C++ program, and